Good morning, friends. My name is Sandeep, third year, Triple E. Today we're going to discuss about conversation from ER diagram to relational model. Database develop as part of the system development analysis phase. Draw an ER diagram, design phase, and convert ER diagram to relational model. Check if the realization are sufficiently normalized. Realization phase. Create tables in DAB members. Procedure for conversion from ER to relational model. Strong entity have their own relation with a single valued attributes. Composite attributes, simple attributes, leaves in relations. Primary key transfer from ER to relational and convert weak entity. Weak entity types have their own relational with all single valued attributes. Partially key transfer from ER to relational. Foreign key to referring to strong entity identifying relationship. Primary key is equal to partial key plus foreign key to strong entity. Binary ship. Binary ship. The data from realization, if any, integrated into one of the related entities, your choice. One of the relations get foreign key to the other. Your choice is to find way from one to other, but no vice versa. One-on-one are rare in ER diagram. They are usually modeled as single entity. Binary relationship 1 and 2. 1 and n. Binary relationship with cardinality 1 and n. 1 ratio n data from relation if any integrated into relation with n. The n relations has foreign key to the 1 relation. Binary relation nm. Binary relations with the cardinality n ratio m. Own relation with the 2 foreign keys, one for each of the relation entity. Data like timestamps etc. on the other relations goes into the relations. Multi-valued attributes. Multi-valued attributes own relations foreign key to owning relations. N array relationship with n more than 2 entity own relational with n foreign keys, one for each related entity. ER model allowed interference between entity type. Problem: no interference is relation model. Solution: try to avoid the interference in ER. Thank you.